everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I see one video with Natasha baby. Natasha, and some of you go know her, with the show count for Bekus, the full itself for everywhere ever since. So, my darling people, I see one video when he say, he want talk the true life story, he want talk with the reason, wetin make am, they do all those things. He say he want come talk, and I was like, Natasha, you want come talk your true life story, that's okay. Wetin make her they do all those things which she they do, you know. But at least, you know, before I will come talk with you, I supposed to talk.
You will not know me now. If they tell you this girl is doing all this badadash, this girl is doing all this rubbish, you will not believe that. I swear with my life. If you know me before and you see me on video doing something like this, you will ask yourself a question. I don't want to shed tears because my backstory make me to shed tears whenever I remember my life story.
You want hear am?
I don't want to go back to my pain. I don't want to go back to my pain. The pain I passed before. Because nobody will understand me. Only God can understand and bear my weakness. What I passed, man. I don't want to cry.
Because a man break your heart.
I don't want to cry.
Okay.
I don't want to cry for anything again in my life. I'll reject tears. And I can never get tears again. I don't want to cry again.
Okay.
Many people judge me for the life I'm living. Many people judge me for the kind of life I live for past 1 month, 2 months ago. The life I live for just 2 months. You see? Many people hate me because of the life.
Okay.
Wow. People that know me, really, you will know that this is not me, but it's me. Because I choose to do it. I decide to live that kind of life.
Natasha saying they live this life because man break his heart. Because he with the pikin papa, they not dey together again. Now he make she now come become nuisance for social media. He come begin they do anything where she like, begin they show count for bekus, begin they do woman to woman, different things. Now this girl come they do. Because this Natasha na person wey me I don't fair know for group when I fair dey. But what it come make her, they do all those things. Me I don't know for Natasha. Natasha, wait oh. Now you man start to dey break your heart. Now you man start to dey leave. Everybody get pass oh. So all of us now we be say we don't fair pass through something for man hand now. We'll come begin the day wayward, begin they open bekus for everywhere because say man break our heart. Like seriously? If man, now me they talk and say if man break your heart, my dear, move on. And if you move on, make sure say that man go they regret why I even leave you. This one when you can't even they do now, say, I beg, talk another thing, Natasha. Not everything that because man break your heart, that it make you they do this thing where you they do for social media. Natasha, are you kidding me?
I decide to turn to vampire today. You understand me?
Because man break your heart.
Everybody have story. Everybody have pain. But if I sit you down and tell you my life story, you will cry for me.
Okay.
You will cry for my life story.
Okay. 1 year.
I don't want to cry. 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 Yeah, we'll be saying, I don't want to be a single mother. I don't want to be a single mother. I don't want to be. That time, I will be shouting.
Okay.
Literally, I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to be a single mother. Oh. I don't want to be a single mother. Oh. I love my husband. After beating and all that, I will still come back and say, love, you beat me. See, I go coma of 6 good months on coma in hospital of Milano because of man. Coming back, I still accept the man as my man.
Natasha, man beat you, you enter coma for 6 months, according to you now. And you're going to go back to that same man again. Natasha, man beat you, you enter coma. You can still go back again to that same man after you come back for hospital. Now you can love pass, Natasha. Now you now can love pass for this world, Natasha, my darling. Oh, wow.
I still take it back. But I still paper, I look, I visit.
If man not love you, he not love you. No matter how you go do wish, if man say no, no. If man not love you, he not love you. No matter how you go do rich. No matter how you go force yourself rich. Even though he beats you, he still come back. He go continue to they beat you. A man, what do they beat woman? He can never stop. He go still continue. Why be say we women we not they like to run for our life? Suppose you can't me as he can't beat you that time, uncle Natasha. Now wow.
I don't have Facebook. I don't have anything about social media things. We use the same phone. Although I have my Nokia Touch.
Oh, wow.
I used to call my mother in Nigeria. You understand? But the day I step my leg, I open a Facebook. The day I open my eyes and saw Facebook, I say, wow, hey, that time, can you imagine that time? I cannot buy one clothes. I used to good for me and him. I don't want to be a single mother. I don't want to be a single mother. But when I see Pepe, my brother, I turn to the single mother.
Okay.
You know, finally, when I come this whole land, I decide to live my life anyhow.
My dear, when I hear that part one more here say he decide to live his life anyhow because he live man because she can become a single mother. Natasha, you get 2 children. You carry one go old land. You leave one for your pikin papa, Natasha. Then you now come reach old land. You know say me you even move on. Move on. Now you start to be a single mother. Me when they talk to you now, you know what that mean a single mother before me marry. Why I not become wayward? Man become the jogodo different men they go. They open bakers for everywhere because say man leave me. Now are you kidding me? Because man leave you, Natasha. Now you say you want become wayward, become the jogodo different men they go. Like seriously, they even not be even if not even that one and say if you go even good. This Natasha, I say get one video where somebody sent for me one day. I shocked her lies. Natasha carry something they shook for Ikbekus. Natasha begin they shook something for Ikbekus. Not be only that one. Natasha begin they do woman to woman with Chichi. Chichi will be a daddy person was supposed to even invest and Chichi can't even worse pass. What's in the worry on because of you? Now they make them do this thing. Forget all those one where you talk, Natasha, though. Now because of you for Facebook, because of Instagram view, now it make you begin to do all those ones. Not because man leave you. Now you start and where man they live. Small girl like you. How many years you did? Small pikin like you. Small girl. Now you start to be a single mother. Why all single mother not become a wayward? You know they see Esther by a lady of song where they sing. Now single mother I take care of your children. But go see her today now. If she live like you, I believe say she will not become what did she become today now. She will not become her today. Let man leave you so that tomorrow when the man go even see you go they regret. Say, suppose I know I will not leave this woman. I better not be woman build that mansion, that big house for Nigeria where we say people they do live video today. People they talk about the lady. Now single mother that she be. Natasha, now you start to be a single mother. Now you start to be a single mother. We be say you can't tell me say because say a man make you a single mother. because of that one you come become wayward, become they open your make for social media. And that one come be the right thing to do. Again, one day when you first come out, maybe you don't forget. You say you don't change. You want stop am. Today again now. Now today you after that video, she can't become the what she did do before. Now you say now you want to talk his story, and then you don't want go back again. Natasha, my darling, change, not be man make you they do all those ones. Not be today man begin to leave woman. Now not be you start am. Not be you go still end up.
I decide to live my life anyhow. May you see where the pain come to me. I go to Benjo. Bruce North Garden Mudin, Benjo. People ain't no Benjo. I go Benjo because I go Benjo my sister there. After breaking up with my ex, I go Benjo police. I asked them to deport me back to Nigeria.
Come and leave you.
You understand me? I go meet police. Nobody have ever tell this thing. I go and meet police. I tell police, take me back to my country. Take me back to Nigeria. They say you are with baby. When they thumbprint my finger in airport there, they don't see any whistle to take me back. But they say Europe accept you. Why are you going back? Why do you want deportation? I say I want to deport. I'm tired. I'm tired.
You come and leave you.
Let boy hate me. Let boys to hate. See.
And they forward and the video too long, my darling people.
I am a changed person now. I am not a Natasha you know 1 month ago.
I pray so.
I am now a changed person.
Thank
with
God
new
for your
style.
life. Okay.
And all that. I am not a changed person.
You better be.
Yes.
You better be
I'm
Natasha, because all those life where you can't live, it no good. You know what time? You better be a changed person, Natasha. Nothing like a church. You get 2 children. 2 children, Natasha. If your children can't grow, see all those things, what you go tell them? You say because their papa break your heart, Natasha. We never hear the man side of the story. We never hear them. What about if we can't hear them tomorrow? The things will can't change. Natasha, let me tell you, you are still a young girl, beautiful girl. You go see man will go put you for house. Stop all those things. I don't do video to talk to you tired. Before it be they call me, I don't know what to make I can't stop. As you all become this thing, when you can't stop to talk to me. Natasha, if you need people who want to give you advice, call me. Call people where you they call before. Change. What if you they give person? Because of you, you'll become all those things. I know some people are advising me you do all those things, but change, as you say, you don't change now. So my darling people, that's why I go play and reach, because the video is day too long. You know.
Because of future of tomorrow.
Okay.
I am a changed person.
Now the year.
Before 10 years time, you can never remember what I do.
Better be. You see how? So my darling people, thank you. Bye. So if you not get any advice to give Natasha, Mona help me advise her. If you not get any help, Mona want still help her. If you not to pray for her anything, Mona still do on my beg. Because as I look and she need help. Thank you everybody. Bye.